From the foregoing and looking also into the impunged letter of Dr. Sam Oula, a medical director at Aga Khan, the applicant has demonstrated that the events after the discharge of the deceased from Aga Khan Hospital on the 14th May 2022 should be subjected to investigation to establish the cause of death. This can only be done by conducting an autopsy on the body of the deceased, and to succeed in that, the deceased body has to be exhumed to aid in conducting the inquest that was mentioned by the applicant in that is inquest number 12 of 2022. That being the case, the application dated the 6th of July 2022 is hereby merited, and the same is allowed as prayed.
And the deceased other siblings were never informed of the deceased death or the burial plans, and only came to learn later through a family friend that the deceased had been buried. The honor directives issued by the OCS Central Police Station was for the body of the deceased to be preserved pending investigations to ascertain the death of the deceased, which directives were ignored. Your Honor, we submit that the whole process of the burial was suspicious to the immediate family of the deceased, who up to now are still questioning the circumstances in which the deceased died.
Here we are saying we believe that if these orders are granted, it will enable the investigation team to ascertain the deceased cause of death, which favors truth and justice in the circumstances. Now, I have looked at these replying affidavits. First of all, starting with the one of Dr. Brian Wazuri. Now, the other reports given in the application supporting the affidavit. The report by the doctor from Aga Khan is done by the medical director, one Dr. Sam Oula.